Popular Limpopo Linkompo musician Lihlakgonolo Chauke, widely known as Shippy Shakes, will remain behind bars over the festive season after the Polokwane Magistrates Court denied him bail on Wednesday. The Lerato Laka hitmaker appeared before the court, where the magistrate dismissed his 50,000 rand bail application and postponed the matter to February 2026. Shippy Shakes' legal representative, Advocate Isaac Mohompo, acting on instruction from Ramosi attorneys, had argued for his release, citing personal and financial circumstances. The bail hearing commenced on Monday, December 8. However, the state strongly opposed the application. Investigating officer Warrant Officer Paladi Makola told the court that the musician has had multiple encounters with the law dating back to 2015 and has failed to take advantage of previous opportunities to reform, and that Shippy Shakes has been given several second chances over the years but continues to find himself on the wrong side of the law. The ambulance hitmaker is facing 9 serious charges, including 3 counts of attempted murder. His arrest stems from a shooting incident in Ladana, Polokwane, during which 2 men were shot. One of the victims remained in critical condition in hospital. In an affidavit submitted during an earlier bail hearing on November 27, Shippy Shakes confirmed that he is expecting a child with his long-term girlfriend, Kolofelo Chane. He cited the pregnancy as one of the exceptional circumstances warranting his release. The development comes amid ongoing public sympathy following the tragic death of the couple's 9-year-old daughter, Ontati Trene, who was killed in a car accident last year. Although Trene had neither confirmed nor denied the pregnancy at the time, a video later surfaced on social media showing her heavily pregnant. In his affidavit, Shippy Shakes stated that Trene is financially dependent on him and was expected to give birth in the first week of December. He further told the court that he supports his immediate family and in-laws and pays 5,000 rand per month in the child maintenance for his 8-year-old daughter. Despite the submissions, State Prosecutor Advocate Kgwale Lolokolane argued that the defense had failed to demonstrate exceptional circumstances as required by law. Lekolwane further revealed that the Ladana shooting allegedly occurred while Shippy Shakes was out on bail for similar offences and other pending charges, a factor the court considered significant its decision. The matter has been postponed to February 2026.
There is further evidence on record that the accused was involved in influencing the witnesses to have the charges withdrawn against him, and this evidence has been heard through the witness that has been called by the state. The accused victims were mostly his supporters, and as a well-known artist, they could not mistakenly identify him, so the identity more often appears accurate in the circumstances. This includes the witnesses that preferred charges against him. The accused victims were mostly his supporters, and the gigs that defense counsel referred to are held in public. Therefore, members of the public may not be safe in that as they approach him in order to greet him or whatever the circumstances, then such violent response happen to be unleashed by the applicant.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.